How are you doing? Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you for anybody who's new or anybody that's already subscribed. We're doing an AliExpress haul today. I got all these in the mail today. I've cut the tops open just so we can speed through this a little bit faster, and we've got a couple different things. We got stamping plates, we've got lights, we've got some gemstones and a whole bunch of different stuff. These are all nail products or things that you can use for nails that you would need to do. Sorry, I can't talk today apparently, or any day for that matter. Don't forget to hit like, and we're just gonna get at her. So first package, this I wanted to try out their rhinestones. I've heard a few people say that they look really comparable to the Swarovski crystals, and from my first impression, they are very shiny. My first impression, they look like Swarovski crystals, and these were like $1 something. I'm in Canada, so of course whatever country you're from, it'll adjust the currency. And I'm also gonna put the pictures and everything up there. Next we've got some, I believe this is the top coat, no wipe top coat canny. I actually have the entire set of the canny pot colors, the 141 colors. I can do another video to show you guys those, but I like their top coats. I actually use these for my swatches now. I don't use the top coat on myself or on clients anymore. Sometimes if I'm just kind of playing around, trying new techniques, or for my swatch sticks, I will use this because it's much cheaper. And then I use the higher end stuff on people and on myself, just in case there was ever like an allergy reaction or something like that. I want to be safe. Next we've got some stamping plates here. Oh, sorry. I just rolled over some bubble wrap. This one is from Born Pretty. I actually like the Born Pretty stamping plates. I find that they come out quite nice. I kind of missed Valentine's Day by a few days, but it came in pretty close. That one's got some daisies. I find the Born Pretty has some nice lines, and they are very good for stamping. This one's got kind of a variety of bunch of different stuff in there. And I do have a stamping book plate that I have in one of my other videos, if you want to have a look at that for where I stick them. These ones actually, I don't know if they will fit into that book. Actually, I will try it right now just to show you. So these ones are a little bit tight, but they will fit in there. I think it would probably break the lining if I continue to pull it in and out of there. So I don't think I will use this book for the Born Pretty, and I don't think the other ones are gonna fit in there either. But we'll give it a shot. Oh yeah, these ones fit pretty good. And it's not too tight, but those other square ones are a little tight to get in there, especially if you're gonna double up on the pages. Maybe if you just had a single one. Let's just try it instead of me talking about it. Yeah, it's still pretty tight. So the long ones, the Born Pretty, fit in there even with the backing on it, but these square ones are not going in that great. I don't know why I'm putting those back in there. So I got some more drill bits or e-file bits. These ones are more for cuticle work, and I'm gonna see how those work out and let you guys know. There was one that I purchased recently. It was this one. It's a black kind of a flame bit it's called. I don't like it that much. It seems like only the middle of the bit is filing anything off the nail. It was pretty cheap, so maybe the larger one would work better, or if you're using it on somebody who has really small nail beds, to use a smaller one. Maybe that's what it's for, and I'm just not cluing in. Who knows? Next, I got some of this putty for the crystal display nails. So like I have this thing here I got from the Fusion store, and so you put that on top and then you can put your tip on it. There's a lot of different display sets that you can use this for, or you can even use it for these practice fingers, right? So I needed some of that, and it's good that it came in today because I want to do some nail art. And then it was really funny because I have this overhead light on my desk, and when I moved I lost the AC plug for it. So I ordered one and it came in today, but I had no idea how long it was gonna take. So I ordered another desk light from AliExpress, and this is one of their overhead LED lights here. Get the stupid thing open. So this is the LED light I got from AliExpress. It's not the biggest. So I guess it goes like this. Okay. Yeah, so it's not the biggest, but I'm gonna try it out anyways, right? I need one. It was $21. But they both came in on the same day. So that was kind of ironic. But I guess maybe I can use that in my mobile kit when I go to other people's houses if I don't end up using it. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how that works. And then I got this as well. This is for stamping. Open it up like that, and it's got like the sticky paper on here. And then when you're stamping and you got your stamper, instead of using more acetone or alcohol to clean off your stamper, you just put it on the stamping thing and you can have it on your desk just sitting there like that. It comes in black and pink. It was a couple bucks, throwing up the picture. And yeah, it's got a pretty big roll on it already, and I'm sure you can always use it. They might sell refills on AliExpress. I haven't seen any yet. Yeah. And that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Hit up the comments if there's something that you want to see.